Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Kawasaki KRX 1000 Trail Edition. We've just installed the TUSK rear tailgate cargo barrier on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the carrier. As you can see, it mounts to the cage bolts on the left and the right hand side. There's also an aluminum bracket spacer that will go in, which will raise up and relocate the tie-down rings in the corners. There it is on the passenger side. Now the TUSK tailgate will give you a lot of additional space there in the back. Very nice looking tailgate extension for the KRX. There's a side view. Now, this is going to go on really easy or really hard, depending on how you do it. Word of advice, once you take these two bolts out, you might need to go and loosen up these additional 4 cage bolts in order to get that done. 2 people is going to be very helpful. Doing it by yourself, going to be a little bit of a challenge. But once it's installed, it looks good. Functionality is going to work great. A lot of different tie-down locations on there, giving you some extended room there on the back as well. What do you guys think? 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll post up the part number below, and we do have these in stock. Have a great day, everybody.